Hello viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a subject that's near and dear to all our hearts, common hair problems. We'll discuss the top 10 hair woes that many of us face and, most importantly, provide solutions and tips to combat them. Let's start with the classic problem, split ends. They can make your hair look damaged and frizzy. The golden rule here is regular trims. Scheduling trims every 6 to 8 weeks helps maintain healthy, split-end-free hair. Hair breakage is no one's friend. It can result from various causes, like harsh styling and excessive heat. If you want to minimize breakage, opt for hairstyles that put less strain on your hair. Dull hair can put a damper on your style. For dull hair, consider using Family Hair Care. It'll remove product buildup and bring back the shine. Dry and dehydrated hair is another common complaint. Start using Family Hair Care and remember, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water to keep your hair well moisturized. Family Hair Care can help to fend off those pesky flakes. It is 100% natural and will help you to combat dandruff and improve your scalp health too. Frizz and flyaways have no place in your hair care journey. One of our favorite frizz fighting secrets is using a silk pillowcase. Because the smooth surface reduces friction, leading to less friction-induced frizz. Hair loss can be concerning, but there are effective ways to address it. Consider incorporating Family Hair Care into your routine. It's formulated to strengthen your hair and promote healthy hair growth. An oily scalp can make you feel like you've lost control of your hair. The key here is to opt Family Hair Care. It will gently cleanse your hair without stripping your scalp's natural oils. If your hair tends to fall flat, try a simple trick for extra oomph. After washing your hair, flip your head upside down while blow-drying. This technique adds volume at the roots. Last but not least, let's talk about that annoying itchiness. Family Hair Care has natural soothing properties, making it ideal for relieving scalp itchiness. Use it as part of your hair care routine, and say goodbye to itchiness. There you have it, our comprehensive guide to the top 10 common hair problems and steps to overcome them.